Hello guys, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So hopefully the sun's not too bad there, but anyway, so as you can see, we are on the move. If you can see in the mirror there, we got the trailer in tow. We're going to look at another Cummins. So I was searching, looking at race truck stuff, you know, at lunch, and I decided to dip on the Craigslist real quick and just search for trucks like I normally do. And I searched for something weird. I forget what it was. Oh, that's what I searched for. Needs transmission. So I came across this Cummins truck, and honestly, it was advertised very poorly. And honestly, the condition of it is very poor, or poor from the pictures. Oh, little General Lee action.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm.
Maybe that's for sale. Maybe we'll pick that up on the way back. Well, anyway, the truck looks a little rough, but not too bad. But the price is just right. Like I said, the ad says that it needs a transmission. It's got a good bit of miles on it. Needs a transmission, but you know, that's something that's not too hard. So I figured it was worth a look. It's only about 40 minutes away. I talked to the woman on the phone. It must be like the front office person, and she really didn't know much about it. There was nobody I could talk to who knew about it, and she didn't have much to tell me other than that she knew they were pushing it around and the drive shaft was in the bed. So at that point I kind of said to myself, well, you know what, that might be something to look at. Not many people are going to be interested in something like that, and like I said, the price is just right for something like that. So we'll keep driving here and get there, and we'll see what we got. Maybe we'll have a new addition to the channel, I don't know, but this is certainly unexpected. I was expecting to be running a grinder right now, but instead we got the trailer and we're headed to York. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, boys and girls, here's what we're here to look at. Yes, another 4th gen. So as you can see, it is rather cheap. Look this thing up. I saw it. Like I said, it's got some rough spots. Right down here's one of them. That's all dinged up. It is a quad cab long bed, 4-wheel drive. Yep, there's the front and rear drive shaft. It is a long bed. That's why it's got the carrier bearing. This thing's been sitting out here for a little bit. Looks like it's been deleted, and it looks like there might be a little cat up there. I'm not sure. Tailgate's rough, bumper's rough. Oh, this whole bedside's jacked up. Yeah, I don't know. Got good tires. Wonder if it's unlocked. Nah, locked. Alright, I'll see if I can find somebody, and maybe we'll take a look at this thing, but we know it can't go for a test drive. It is actually currently inspected, so that's a good sign. Looking in the window, it's got a Smarty on it, so it is deleted. I see a Smarty sitting there. So all right guys, so I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I'm gonna see if I can find somebody and talk to them about the truck. They definitely looks like they started taking the transmission apart, so I don't know how I feel about that. Well, they gave me the keys. They gave me the keys because I can't steal the thing. Drive shafts in the bed and all that. We'll give this thing a once over. I don't know, the whole fact that even the front drive shaft's out of it kind of has me concerned. Here's another truck. This is a 12 3500. It's got some crap going on in it too. It is definitely a base model, as you can tell by the key. But yeah, let's check this thing out, see what we got going on. I don't know. Well, the seat's got a little wear. Yeah, see, doesn't look too bad in here for like a work truck. But it's got power windows and power locks, so it should have a key, regular key with it. But let's see, 260,000 miles. Howdy. Well, it looks like the channel has a new addition. We just bought ourselves a 2011 quad cab long bed 6.7 Cummins. This was certainly not the plan. I saw it, came and looked at it, and here we are now. It's really cold. I can't feel my hands. I'll talk to you when we get back to the house. What do you think? All right, well, there she is. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. It's awful windy out, but yeah, so there's our new truck for the channel. We got ourselves a quad cab long bed. We now have a 2010, 11, and 12 4th gen Ram. Yeah, Caitlin performed flawlessly, though she does look a little odd because she is squatted pretty good, as this is obviously much heavier than the race truck. But yeah, this is not how I thought today was going to go. Purchasing a truck today was never on the agenda. I always do the Craigslist search thing that we all do, and oh man, you know, this, that, but I saw this and I was like, man, this is a cheapest 4th gen I've seen that wasn't like rolled over or something. So I think we might have the cheapest Craigslist 4th gen there is. I don't know, but yeah, I still got to disconnect the trailer from Caitlin so I can take Caitlin to work tomorrow and all that, and we will go into the truck tomorrow thoroughly, what the plans are, what we're doing with it, all that kind of stuff. Now the whole transmission thing, my original thoughts were that we would just take this guy that's been sitting over here for quite a while that we pulled out of this thing. It was a working 68, so a working 68 will work in, well, actually, it's a working 68 out of a 10. You can't put an 11 and up 68 in a 10 and below, but you can put a till a 2010 in, wait. You can't put a newer transmission in an older truck, but you can put an older transmission in a newer truck. That's how that goes. And 2010 is the cutoff year, so 10 you can put in anything, and 12 or 11 you can't put in a 10 and below. So anyway, I know that was a little bit rambling about transmission. We'll go into that tomorrow, but there's something that I saw in the truck, had a bunch of paperwork, like some old service stuff, that really got me intrigued and thinking, you know, we might even be a little bit better, a little bit further in the game than I thought, but I don't know. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for tonight. I got to wrap that thing up. I'm going to spend the rest of the night cleaning up this mess, so we have a fresh canvas for when we start working on this cab again. Like I said, this project was never something I was intending or even thinking about, and here we are now. I know we got a lot to do on the race truck, but you know, when an opportunity presents itself, why not go for it? So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're excited. Like I said, I'm even surprised myself. So we now have 3 4th-gen Cummins on the channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'll check you guys on the next one. Get out in your garage, get the wrenching on your trucks.